show where you're going to get me, Steve, cooking pretty much with simple ingredients, not really from fresh. I am going to be using things that are produced. So this one came from Aldi. Other supermarkets are available, but nice and cheap and still got good quality. I'm going to be using this, which came from Waitrose. So a little bit posh for a spice. It's a chicken one. And then I've got this in a Kilner jar, which Ivy made, which is chilli powder. I don't really know where she got all this chilli powder. Where'd you get it, Ivy? Oh, you can talk. Where'd you get it? Oh my god, talk! Anyway, so what I'm going to be adding into this is a Salad Master skillet. Now I heat it up to 200 degrees, and the way you told it it's ready, flick some water in there, and if it bounces around like that, you see it bouncing around, then it's ready to cook. So firstly, I'm just going to add some onion. There we go, that's sizzling away. And I'm going to add 1 cube of butter, because with Salad Master you don't really need to add butter, you don't really need to add salt or anything like that. Let me push this around a little. Okay, while that's sizzling away, get some there. While that's sizzling away in there, under here I've got some barbecue chicken filates, whatever they are. They're just a posh name for chicken breast, I guess. But I got these from Marks and Spencer. Now, there's a little tip about buying stuff from Marks and Spencer. If you go half an hour before they close, you can get a discount on their food. However, this was bought fresh. So here we go. Yeah, sometimes you can get up to 90% off. So that's a nice little tip to share with people. But that's in the UK. I don't know about anywhere else in the world. I'm struggling to open this because my hands are wet. Trying to cheat. So I couldn't get in there. Okay, so an extra packet of sauce, that'll come handy. And to be honest, yeah, let's cut these down a little. Now me, I don't really like using a knife much on meat. I tend to use a nice pair of scissors. Here's my special meat scissors. I'm just going to get those on there. Just going to cut up. So yeah, this was in the freezer. I've defrosted it pretty much all day. Just going to cut it into lots of little pieces. They don't have to be precise. Well, you can if you want to make it look a little bit nicer than my presentation. But as you can see, this is already pre-marinated, so I didn't marinate this. So, and to be honest, I'm just going for a spicy chicken pasta today. Should have said that at the start really, shouldn't I? I'm making spicy chicken pasta. There we go. Nice big pile of meat there. I'm going to have to cut up the other one, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this in to start out with anyway. Go. There we are. And rather than leave it like a lump like that, I'm just going to spread it around. And hopefully you're going to start getting some of that, the chicken fats mixing in with the onions. Start getting a bit of flavour going on in there. As you can see, I'm not really a chef. And one more packet. Same again. Where to put my scissors? Oh, there they are. I'm just going to cut this open. Another additional packet of barbecue sauce. And there's the meat. Okay. Get rid of the bag. Wash my hands again. And let's get back onto that. Okay. When the moon hits the sky like a bigger pizza pie, that...
Amore.
It is indeed. Tend to like to sing a little when I'm cooking. Gets you in the mood, doesn't it? There we go. Oh, while I'm cutting this, you see that other tub on the hob over there, Ivy? If you just want to lift the lid on that. In there is some pasta, which about an hour ago I just added some warm water to it, covered it over, and just let it soak so it's nice and soft. You wouldn't really want to put hard pasta in straight into the skillet. So softened it up in there. Nearly cut all this, one more big bit there. The nice thing about buying Marks and Spencer's meat is you know you're getting good quality meat, usually from a locally sourced butcher's, or at least butchers in the UK. Don't know whether you've got Marks and Spencer's in other countries, but that looks all nicely cut. Got my scissors there. There's Ivy. Ooh. And this goes in there. Okay. Now let's give that a little bit of a knock around again. Lovely stuff. Okay, now as you can see here, I've adjusted the temperature. It's down to 330 degrees now. I'm just going to leave it at that sort of temperature. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drain off the pasta, and I'm going to add the pasta in there. You just use 2 bowls. You can just quickly swap them about. There we go. And it also saves a lot of washing up at the end. So there we go. Nice bouncy bits of pasta there. They should be bouncy, not hard. Give them a little slap around. Yep, they're great. I'm just going to chuck that in there right now. So in goes my pasta. Knock that about a bit. Really, I want the pasta to sort of sit on top of the chicken a little. Next, I've just got to add the sauce. Right, now as you can see here, I showed you these earlier, but I'm going to add a little bit of chilli. I'm not going to add a lot. We're not really chilli fans, so I'm just going to add a little sprinkle in. Maybe 1 extra. It's probably going to be a little bit too spicy, but because that is really strong chilli. But add it to your own sort of preference. I've got a little bit of chicken stuff here. And I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. That sort of mixed herbs. It does say what's on the back and what's contained. But to be honest, I sort of go by colour and taste and smell a lot. So you're not going to find the exact ingredients that I used, because pretty much every spicy chicken pasta I make is different. I can't open that because my hands are wet. That's it. Whoa, that one was a little pop. Okay. And I'm going to add that in. Now what I do with the additional sauce, add a little bit of water, not much, just a teeny bit. Put the lid back on. Give it a bit of a shake. So that's all off the side of the jar. I'm just going to add that in as well. Right, we can hear that actually sizzling away now. I'm going to give that a bit of a mix. Now, the beauty of cooking with Saladmaster is you're already actually heating this small volume here. So when you're cooking in Saladmaster, it takes a lot less time to cook. So if you was using an oven or making a pasta bake, for example, or making a lasagna, this would take ages. But doing it this way, just straight inside the skillet, like I say, it's a smaller area that you're heating, takes a lot less time. So we're looking at maybe about another, I don't know, about 20 minutes on this. So I'm just going to stop the video at this point, and I'll rejoin you in 20 minutes time, and I'll be plating this up. Thank you for watching so far. I've come back out to check on it, and it's at the 90 degrees. It stopped tinging, and it's looking fairly nice, but just to be sure that it's cooked all the way through, I'm I'm just going to put it back up on temperature to about 120. Actually, let's go 135. And I'm just going to leave it for an extra 3 to 4 minutes. And Ivy's getting ready to do what you get doing later, Ivy. What are you doing? Got something you're doing?
Dim sum.
Dim sum, okay.
Prawns.
Prawn dim sum. So that's going to be the next video. So stay tuned for that. There we go. That's the magical sound I wanted to hear. That means it's about ready. So I'm just going to give this a quick taste. Just going to remove the lid. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, that looks amazing. So, just got myself a fork. And a bit of pasta on there as well. Let's give that a taste. This is going to be hot. That is really good. It's not too spicy actually. That is, well, it's got a nice aftertaste. Yeah, pretty happy with that. So I'm going to be plating that up. Thank you very much for watching. That is Steve's spicy chicken pasta done in a Salad Master skillet. Now really, I better turn this off. So, there we go. Hit the off button. Plating that up. Thank you again for watching, and please subscribe because there will be awesome recipes coming your way on this channel.